Hey everyone, let's make 5 simple easy origami fidget toys with me. For this, cut a piece of paper in this way with measurements like I'm doing. Each cube is 2 into 2 cm and corners are of 0.5 cm. Now have to glue it just like I'm doing. Like this you have to make 8 cubes and now have to place them in a position exactly like I'm doing. Now apply tape, apply it exactly where I'm applying it. Put small pieces of tape. You can make this in any color. If you want, you can even make multicolored cubes. It will look even more beautiful. When the taping is completed, then we will draw faces or emojis or expression on the cube and your fidget toy is ready. Now let's make toy number 2. To make this, you will need 8 cm into 8 cm paper. Now fold it step by step in the same way as I am doing it. Make one more paper piece just like this. Now join them with glue. Now we will make 8 pieces like this. Now glue them on one top of the other, same as like I am doing. Now press it well and wait for it to dry. And your fidget toy is ready. Let's make craft number 3. It's a paper squishy. To make this, take measurements on paper as it's showing. Now we will draw on this as I am doing. You can use any color which is your favorite. I am using brown color here to give it a chocolatey effect. Now stick tape on the whole paper and cut it. Now tape it from the corners, leave one corner. Now fill it with cotton or paper. Now tape the remaining corner. I have made one more like this. And your paper squishy toy is ready. Now let's make toy number 4, which is infinity paper squishy. To make this, we need 15 into 15 cm paper. Now fold it accordingly to the pattern and do it step by step. Do not miss any step. Now that you have reached here, so please give a like to the video. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, so then please subscribe it quickly. So our folding is completed here and our fidget toy is ready. Now let's make craft number 5. To make this, we need 15 into 15 cm paper. Now fold it accordingly to the pattern. Do it step by step. Tell me in the comment section that which one do you like the most. And if you like my video, so please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to press the bell icon. And here our fidget toy is ready. See you all in the next video. Stay tuned for the next upcoming video. Till then, bye bye.